On top inside Edo today, Edo State Government don induct 104 new technical and vocational education training teachers, TVET, as Obaseki don convert St. Kizito Secondary School to Technical College. Edo State Government don induct 104 new recruit teachers to take start reform for technical sector for the state. And dem hold 2-day induction program for them for Benin City, the one wey Edo State Employment and Expenditure for Results C4 project and State Board for Technical and Vocational Board na dem organize am. Commissioner for Science and Technology Christopher Adesotu for the induction ceremony come advise the teachers dem say make dem join hand with Governor Obaseki vision to take change the face of science and vocational training for Edo State to better thing. He come still tell dem say make dem use all the talent wey dem get to take improve technical education for Edo State and make dem prepare the students dem for international competition. Permanent Secretary for Edo State Board for Technical and Vocational Education, Bernard Ogboke, he talk say all the newly inducted teachers dem dey qualified well and dem get wetin go help fast forward technical education for Edo State. Ogboke talk say Governor Obaseki don improve recruitment for more science and technical education teachers to former St. Kizito Secondary School, the one wey don become technical school now. Technical and Vocational Education Training Officer wey dey Edo C4, Blessing Osaon, he talk say this induction na new beginning for technical and vocational education for Edo State. Osaon talk say Edo C4 don do better renovation for the science and technical school, as this one go help the school work go well with the ogbonge equipment, the one wey dem don put for there. Uyosa Ugiagbe come talk on behalf of the new teachers wey dem induct, say dem go do correct work as dem go join hand with Edo State Government to take improve technical and vocational education sector for Edo State. Now here we see the better informate reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today, as Edo State Government don induct new 104 teachers for the technical and vocational educational sector for Edo State to take improve education matter for the state. Make una no forget say this ogbonge informate so na T-Live Media na im bring and come gidigba put for una. My name na Nimat Shagumo.